Hi, Mr. and Mrs. Marlowe. My name is Michelle Nietza, and I am Destiny Marlowe's special education teacher. I'm here today to present to you the IEP team. Mr. Franklin is Destiny's general education teacher. Together, he and I co-teach and collaborate lesson plans and ideas to further assist Destiny and the rest of the class with reading comprehension. Our goal is to strengthen and define their abilities. Another member of the IEP team is our local school district representative. They supervise the school's education program that Destiny is in, the special education program. They are also quite familiar with resources that are available to our school district. They are an essential member of the team because with them, we are able to have authorization to access those resources to better assist Destiny with her educational development. Our school psychologist is also here as they understand and can interpret Destiny's evaluation results and will be thorough in any explanation that you require should you have any questions about the results. Destiny's reading teacher is also a part of our IEP team as they advise all of us of Destiny's progression with reading and comprehension. Her progress within her reading sessions will further assist Mr. Franklin and I with our lessons to better assist and strengthen her abilities. I'd like to also advise you that you are an essential member of the IEP team because you know Destiny far greater than we do. You are aware of her skills and her abilities in and outside of the classroom. And that can help strengthen us to make the best possible choices that Destiny needs to have for her academic success. Destiny herself will be an important member of the IEP team, so essential because she will be a part of the transitioning portion of her young adult years. What I mean by this is that we'll be setting her up for her life after school when she's older. I believe around the ages between 14 and 16 is when Destiny will be involved. If you have any questions about anything regarding the IEP or the IEP team, please do not feel afraid to reach out to me. I'm here to help you and assist you always. Thank you so much.